Most road accidents happen due to human factors. Predictive assistance systems that warn the driver and also react independently can avoid or help to significantly reduce accidents. MAN's Emergency Brake Assist, or EBA for short, is a smart electronic co-driver that uses both a radar sensor and camera. It is permanently active and detects critical situations which might result in a rear-end collision. The EBA uses a radar sensor in the front bumper to continuously transmit and receive signals which are used to calculate the speed, distance and angle of objects in front of the vehicle. A camera in the windscreen also monitors the traffic situation, detects lanes and spots moving or stationary objects and vehicles ahead based on the typical characteristics of a vehicle rear end. The camera and radar compare results, while the signals from a yaw rate sensor are evaluated in order to determine when the vehicle is cornering. MAN's EBA can interpret even complex traffic situations accurately and detect stationary or moving objects in the same lane more quickly and with greater certainty than systems fitted only with a radar sensor. Only on the basis of this robust reaction in justified situations will maximum driver acceptance be guaranteed. Other data, such as the position of the brake and accelerator pedal, the vehicle speed and the operation of the indicators, are used to assess the current driving situation. If there is a risk of a rear-end collision with traffic ahead or a stationary vehicle, the driver receives an initial warning. A flashing warning symbol appears on the dashboard, a loud warning tone sounds, and the radio and hands-free system are muted. The engine torque is reduced and the brake lights come on to warn traffic behind. If the driver reacts appropriately and brakes or changes lanes, the EBA does not intervene any further. If the driver does not react to the warning, the system automatically starts to brake and continues to warn. If the driver still does not react and the system detects an imminent collision, the EBA applies the emergency brake immediately. Now the vehicle activates the hazard warning lights at a high frequency to warn other road users. One key function of the system is the driver activity detection, which MAN has refined. The EBA takes vehicle speed into account when selecting warnings and braking maneuvers. If the driver is very active and driving at low speed, for example in an urban area, the system warns and brakes later than it would if the driver has a lower activity level and travels at motorway speed. The driver activity detection and the use of two different measuring systems enable the MAN Emergency Brake Assist to achieve a very high level of reliability and thus a high degree of safety for road users.